We're in Dudleyville, Arizona, and this was somebody's house right here. We meet people on usually their worst day. I mean, this guy here, I don't know how long he's been living here, but believe me, he was not planning on his house burning down, and he was looking at this big old mess yesterday. Today he's going to come by. I told him, I said, come by in the evening, and it's going to be ready to get some permits and start building.
It's not necessarily community cleanup, but more of the role of trying to get their properties, their residential homes, the debris removal and disposal so they can come back and start the process of rebuilding.
A lot of times, especially small communities like this, if an organization like Team Rubicon didn't come in and work with the local partners, the reality is those homeowners probably wouldn't recover. They would probably their property would still look like this years from now. They might not get that debris out. Maybe they push it to the side of the property. Maybe they never even get to rebuild because they can't afford to get the property cleared to start the reconstruction process.
We got work, we got tools, we got trucks, we got fuel. You know, nobody's standing around waiting. I didn't come all this way to just like sit around and play cards. We want to get things done.
I want to see what we started get to the finish line. We had approximately 24 property owners that came to us that needed assistance, and we want to make sure we're able to fulfill that need. Through the cooperation and assistance of Rubicon and their volunteer group and that collaboration with Pinal County, I think we'll be able to do it.
We come into the community, we partner with those community stakeholders. In this case, we're partnering with Pinal County Public Works. We go out, we identify which homes have been impacted from the fire. We have personnel who are trained to use chainsaws. So like we see back here, we have folks that can come in, they can drop those dead trees, limb and buck those trees. And then we have heavy equipment operators, so using the skid steer and then working with the county and bringing in those roll-off dumpsters. So then our staff can start to take the metal debris, the wood debris, put them in those roll-off dumpsters, and then County Works is taking those to the landfill, dumping those, bringing those back so that we can continue to fill those.
That Team Rubicon is key to making this happen. Without them, this would not happen. Pinal County was able to come back and do what they could as far as support with containers and drop-offs within our right-of-way and taking care of those disposal fees. Thank goodness our Board of Supervisors gave us that flexibility to make that happen and support with that funding to make it happen.